One of Australia's favourite lawn varieties for home gardens, big and small, is buffalo. New breeding has introduced soft-leaf buffalo varieties, which are a joy to sit and relax on. They're a far cry from the old bed of nails buffaloes I had to endure as a kid. Because buffalo grass has broader blades than couch and kikuyu, it tends to look thicker and lusher throughout the year than those other lawn varieties. The secret to maintaining that thick, lush and healthy look is regular feeding. And feeding your buffalo lawn has just been made even easier with the release of the new Yates Buffalo Pro Controlled Release Lawn Fertiliser. A balanced blend of slow and fast release nitrogen plus iron means one application will provide visible results as well as feeding the lawn for 4 months. Yes, 4 months. The concentrated formula in Yates Buffalo Pro Control Release Lawn Fertiliser provides greater coverage per kilogram than traditional lawn fertilisers, which means you can feed more lawn with less fertiliser. I like that. Yates Buffalo Pro Control Release Lawn Fertiliser is designed to produce a strong green and healthy buffalo lawn. It promotes a thicker lawn that crowds out weeds and promotes a strong and deep root system. You can also use Yates Buffalo Pro Control Release Lawn Fertiliser on all lawn types to add green and boost their performance.